If you're trying to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing and you haven't made your first $100 yet, this video is exactly what you need. Because your first $100 is not about luck. It's not about going viral. And it's definitely not about posting random links everywhere. It's about strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I would make my first $100 starting from zero. No audience, no email list, no paid ads. Let's break it down. Step 1 is choosing the right product. Most beginners make the same mistake. They promote cheap products that pay $2 or $3 in commission. That means you need dozens of sales just to hit $100. Instead, you want to promote products in the $80 to $300 range. Here's why. If you promote a $200 product and the commission is 4%, that's $8 per sale. That means you only need around 13 sales to hit your first $100. That's realistic. Now step 2 is choosing products that solve urgent problems. You don't want random gadgets. You want products people are actively searching for. For example, office chairs for back pain, microphones for YouTube beginners, standing desks for small rooms, budget gaming monitors. Notice something? These are specific. Specific products convert better than general ones. Now step 3, and this is important, create buyer intent content, not motivational content. Not how to make money content. Buyer intent content means the person watching is already thinking about buying. Examples: best office chair under $200. Is the Galaxy S26 Ultra worth it? Top 5 gaming chairs for long hours. These types of videos convert because the viewer already has their wallet halfway open. Now step 4 is structure. This is where most people lose sales. Your video should follow this simple format. Hook. Quick credibility. Problem. Solution. Clear recommendation. For example, start with a strong hook. If you're thinking about buying this chair, watch this before you waste your money. Then briefly explain who this product is for. Then highlight the real problems people experience. Then show why this product solves those problems. Don't just list features. Talk about outcomes. Instead of saying, it has memory foam cushioning, say, this helps reduce lower back pain after sitting for 6 hours. Outcomes sell. Features don't. Now step 5, maximize the 24-hour cookie. A lot of beginners don't understand this. When someone clicks your Amazon link, you get credit for anything they buy within 24 hours, not just the product you recommended. That means if someone clicks your chair link but ends up buying a phone or kitchen appliance, you still get paid. So your goal is simple. Get clicks. That means your call to action matters. Instead of saying, link in description, say, I've linked the exact model I recommend below so you don't accidentally buy the wrong version. That increases clicks because it reduces confusion. Now step 6, volume. Let's do simple math. If your video gets 500 views, 10% click your link. That's 50 clicks. 5% of those clicks buy something. That's about 2 to 3 sales. If your commission is $8 per sale, that's around $16 to $24 from one small video. Now imagine you have 5 videos doing that. Now you're near or past $100. You don't need millions of views. You need targeted views. Now step 7. Stay consistent for 30 days. This is where most people quit. Your first 3 to 5 videos might make $0. That doesn't mean it's not working. Amazon affiliate marketing compounds. Each video becomes a small digital salesperson working for you 24/7. Your goal for your first $100 should be 5 to 10 buyer intent videos, focused on one niche, clear recommendations, strong calls to action. That's it. No complicated funnels, no paid ads, no fancy website needed at the beginning. Just problem solution link. Once you hit your first $100, everything changes mentally. You stop guessing. You stop doubting. You realize it works. And then you scale. If you follow these steps exactly, your first $100 is not a matter of if, it's a matter of execution. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe, because next I'm going to show you how to turn that first $100 into recurring monthly commissions. And that's when this really gets interesting.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can use the link in my description box, even though you them say, oh, you mustn't tell them to use the link in the description box. Yes, I earn a commission from these links, so you can just buy through my links and get the exact product that is in my video. Also, Samsung S26 Ultra is out now, so you can also use the link to purchase the exact product that is in my video. And all these chairs are wonderful and they are good for your back. For example, those TikTokers that are sitting down on their beds and they're not sitting in a proper chair, and their back is hurting them and all them. Some there are they leaning back and they're not good posture. So only can get this chair to support your back. For example, you are spending the whole night to do live streaming, both TikTok and YouTubers spend the whole night doing all of those stuff and you not take care of the back. So no hurry up and get these products. Yes, guys. So just remember to like, share, and subscribe, and use my link in the description box. And just have a wonderful day. Make sure to be yourself, love yourself, and be kind to yourself. Don't be mean to yourself. If it's your birthday, get something for yourself. If it is some other day, get something for yourself. Same way. Never you never have to have a special day to treat yourself to something nice. Something nice can be something expensive. Yay, girl.